Hello my lovely Aquarius, I welcome you all in my channel and I am very happy that you have turned back in my channel. You are coming back in my channel and thank you so much for giving so much love and support to the channel. I welcome you all with my whole heart. So Aquarius, this is your general love reading for sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign. Aquarius, you can check it out, your sign. I hope it resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, okay Aquarius, because it's not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating with you, my lovely Aquarius all over the world. So Aquarius, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos. So let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius, my beautiful magical beings all over the world. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful Aquarius. What are the messages? Seven of Wands, you are defensive, you are guarding up yourself. Okay, let's see what are the messages. Oh, there were some conflicts around you, that's why you are defensive. Three of Pentacles. Help me out to give the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Queen of Pentacles. Help me out to give. Okay, that is coming very fast. Okay. Hermit. Wow. Wow, Aquarius. Wow. You are dealing with your soulmate. So let's see. Let's see. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Oh, see, Six of Cups. Beautiful Aquarius. Help me out to give the messages. Six of Swords. Wow. I love doing your reading, Aquarius. It's always wonderful to do your reading because Chariot just fall out. You are rising as Chariot. Yes. Any other message? Some of you are not sleeping well, having sleepless nights. Let's see any other message. Any other message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to give the best positive message. Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups, Ace of Swords. Both are there in your reading. Someone is rushing towards you, Aquarius. It's Knight of Swords. Okay, so yeah, let's me see. Ooh. Devil is around you. Oh, there is some toxicity around you. Let's see what it is. Help me out to give the. Okay. Nine of Cups. Okay. Help me out to give. Okay. Four of Cups. Either you are not ready to accept injustice. You are not ready to accept the cup, or someone is not accepting the cup. Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver? Oh, wild card. You're completing a cycle. You are completing a cycle, Aquarius. Let me adjust it. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Any other message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Wheel of Fortune and King of Pentacles. Okay. Okay, you have so many major arcanas today in your reading, Aquarius. But I am thinking about this devil, why there is a devil in your reading. Other than that, it's very nice. It's very nice, Aquarius. Maybe this devil is because of these conflicts. And see, Aquarius, what I'm having. King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles, a pair. King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles, both are there. So you are dealing with your soulmate. So yes, let's start your reading. Let's start your reading. So Aquarius, right now you are getting your strength back. Okay, you are walking away from a situation. Your guards are up. Your guards are up because there were some conflicts in the past with this Five of Swords. There were some conflicts and you are moving ahead, leaving that situation behind, leaving that conflicts behind. You are defending your energy, you are protecting yourself, and you are moving away with, okay, Three of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. You are rising as Queen of Pentacles, someone who is very, see, so yeah, High Priestess. You are moving ahead. You are looking answers, seeking answers from within. This queen may be a new entry in your life, Queen of Pentacles. Gender is not specific here, Aquarius. Okay, they want to give you a stable, committed offer. Okay, they are coming towards you, but you are turning yourself inside. You are answering. You are looking your answers from within. You are looking your answers within. You are seeking your answers within. You are asking yourself about what you want in your life. And you want to achieve Ace of Cups, emotional fulfillment. You are moving within yourself to achieve this Ace of Cups. And you are getting your twin flame soulmate in your life, Aquarius, because there are so many confirmation. There is Two of Cups, there is Six of Cups. Okay, so you are dealing with your soulmate. Okay, whatever this person is, Queen of Pentacles, this is the new entry in your life. A new person who wants to give you a stable, solid, committed offer. This queen is someone who wants to give you a stable, solid, committed offer. Okay, they want to give you something very solid, very, very stable, committed offer. So Aquarius, they want to offer you Ace of Cups. Okay, they are the lovers. This is the soulmate card for me. The both are the confirmation for soulmate. This person is from your past. Six of Cups, the person is from your past. You both have met each other before. Okay, so this person is from your past. Six of Cups is there, and Two of Cups, you both are offering each other cup. Okay, you both are offering each other cups. So yes, and you are moving towards a calmer waters. Six of Swords. And sorry Aquarius, today my energy is little bit low because I'm having cold. Okay, so I'm not feeling well today because of my cold. So sorry if you feel very low in my energy today, because it's hard to speak today. I'm not able to speak properly. It's very difficult because my throat is having cough and cold I'm having today. So yeah, Six of Swords, you are coming towards the calmer water, and you are rising as Chariot, Aquarius. Now you know the right and wrong. You know the difference between black and white. You are the winner, Aquarius. You are rising as a Chariot. Maybe some of you Aquarius are not sleeping well in the night. You are having sleepless nights to achieve the clarity. To achieve the clarity, you were not sleeping well in the past because you want clarity in your life, and now you are getting the clarity. See, you are getting your clarity. You were looking for answers and you are getting it. There was some devil energy around you. There were some devil energy because you were thinking that something is not good for you. There were some toxicity in your life. Because of that, you were having sleepless nights. That's why you were seeking answers. You want clarity, and you get to know this, Aquarius. Someone is moving towards you with Knight of Cups. This is a, can you see Four of Cups and Knight of Cups? This person is emotionally, can you see there in both cards there is a cup offer to you. Either you are not ready to accept this cup, or they are not ready to accept the cup. but I am getting the feeling that this is you are not ready to accept the cup right now. But okay, sorry, I will connect it. The devil wants to offer you the cup basically, and you were not accepting it because you get to know they were trying to, you know, intervene in your life again. The universe does that, Aquarius. They test you whether you get to know your lesson or not, whether you get to know what is right and what is wrong for you or not. Until the time you are not getting to know that what is right and wrong, you are going to repeat that cycle again and again and again in different forms. So yes, before this devil you are rising as a chariot. Now you know that what is right and what is wrong for you, and you are getting your clarity. That's why you are not accepting this offer from this devil. Okay, you are not accepting it. Once you stop this cycle, once you break this cycles, when you know the truth, the justice and world card is there. Justice and world card is there. Now you are completing a cycle because you get to know that there is some toxicity, there is some devil in the situation, and you are not accepting that devil at all in your life, and you are moving ahead. You are leaving them back. You are not accepting their cup, and that's bring justice to your life. And now you are completing a karmic cycle. Can you see the world card is there? You are completing a cycle. And also there is Wheel of Fortune, 3 major arcanas for you, Aquarius. 3 major arcanas, Justice, World and Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor because now you know the right and wrong, what is right and what is wrong. And some new offer is coming towards you with this King of Pentacles. With the Wheel of Fortune, the divine is sending your better half, the other half, the twin flame, the soulmate, which is made by God, divine, universe. Okay, 1212 was the recording reading time. So this is your soulmate, the new person who is entering in your life. Okay, they are entering in your life. Once you cut out this devil energy, they are going to come, and it's coming in your life because Wheel of Fortune is in your favor. Okay, and now you are taking as the energy of Queen of Swords and High Priestess, 2 major cards for you. Let me adjust my camera 1 minute. Okay, yeah, better. So yeah, you are taking an energy of Queen of Swords and High Priestess. This Queen of Swords know the truth. They are ready to cut any of the lies, deception, manipulative people around them. They know the truth. They will let you know. They will let you speak your truth, and they will cut immediately any of the lies and deceptive energy, manipulative energy is there around them. This queen knows the truth. This queen will not accept any of the lies. Okay, and you are guided by your intuitions. You are moving ahead with your intuitions. You are more looking from your point of view of intuitions. Okay, you are working on your intuitions and you are guided by intuition. So you are rising as High Priestess. You know the truth and you are guided by intuitions. You are making decision on the basis of your intuitions and truth. Very nice, Aquarius. Proud of you, proud of you. See, 10 of Pentacles, and you are achieving 10 of Pentacles. Hierophant, bottom of the deck is Hierophant. So yes, Aquarius, you are getting your 10 of Pentacles. Abundant of everything. Abundant of money, abundant of love, abundant of happiness, abundant of luck, success. Everything you are getting in 10 of Pentacles. And some of you are going to get married. You are taking the relationship on a higher level of you are taking your relationship on a higher level of commitment. 1414 was the recording reading time. So yes, you are taking your relationship on a higher level of commitment. Now you can get your married offer, okay, or a committed offer. Okay, Aquarius, you're getting your commitment in your relationship, or you're getting married in your relationship. So yes, wow, wonderful, wonderful, Aquarius, wonderful. That was your test. That was your test by the God, by the divine, that whether you know that this devil energy is there or not. And now you are getting your clarity that yes, this is the devil for you, and you are cutting them off immediately. You know the truth. You know, you're getting your clarity that there is some devil energy around you and you need to cut. Do not have to accept that devil energy at all in your life. And because you are not accepting the cup, the justice has served in your case, and the world is putting an end to the cycle. 1515 was the recording reading time, because you get to know the truth. You know the difference between right and wrong. You know the difference between devil and between a negative and positive energy. You get to know that this energy, this toxic energy, is not good at all for you. So that's why you're putting an end to this situation. You are not accepting it. They were still trying to offer you some cup, okay, but you are not ready to accept it. That's why you are putting an end to a cycle. The very beautiful Aquarius, and Wheel of Fortune is turning in your favor and bringing you the soulmate which is made for you by the divine, by the God, your better half, the person who is half of your heart. Okay, Aquarius, this is your person. King and Queen is both are there in the reading. So yes, there is a person who is made for you, Aquarius, who is entering in your life. Very beautiful. You passed the test. I'm going to make this heading for this reading, Aquarius, because you put an end to the conflicts. You put the end of devil, okay? You get to know. So yeah, this was your reading, and I'm going to take these cards in the extended for a deeper meaning of these cards. I'm going to take these cards. I hope it help you out in some manner. I hope it will bring some clarity to you. You are on a right path, Aquarius. You have done wonderful thing in your life, because you are rising as a Chariot. You know what is right and what is wrong for you, what is black and what is white for you, and you are taking, because you took this Chariot energy after having so many sleepless nights. You getting your clarity that there is some toxicity. So yes, let's see in the extended reading what these cards mean on a deeper way okay? Till the time, take care. If you like my video, you can like, share and subscribe to the channel. And till the time, you take care, Aquarius, and bye bye. See you soon in my next video.